Hi guys, Bobby D here from bobbydonlinemarketing.com. Welcome to my review of Flipadom. Now this review is slightly different than usual because this is actually my product. This is my first big launch that I've done in the make money niche market, and it's something I'm really proud of, and I've been super supported by two of the biggest affiliates out there, Trevor C and Jonas Lundgren. Both have come on board, both have helped me promote this and push it out, and they've done a load of work for me, which I'm truly grateful for. So this is Flipadom, guys. It's released on the 14th of May, so this is a bit of a pre-video that I'm putting out. Just to forewarn you, it's coming out, it's going to do really well. We're already getting some good feedback from the people that we've shown the product to, and I'm super excited to be offering it to you guys as my first product. So as you can imagine from the name, Flipadom, it's about flipping domain names. Now, some of you may have tried this, some of you may have heard of it. I initially got into it about 6 months ago, and what I'd done is I went out and I'd done loads of research on domain flipping. I went and bought 2 courses, both which cost me $67 each, and I quickly realised that 2 things. One, the 2 courses that I bought were too expensive, and 2, they're out of date and they're still being sold. And what they didn't show you was the secret sauce. They didn't show you how to actually go out and make money. They showed you where to buy the domain, but not where to sell it, and a few little tips and tricks. So I've put together a video course. 8 videos are in the standard front-end course, which goes from everything from what is a domain, where to buy it, how to buy it, where to sell it, how to price it, and how to buy low and sell high. If you're looking at making some quick, easy money, this is probably one of the best methods out there. And one of the big sellers for me in putting this together is when you sell your domain, you get paid straight away. It's instant payment into your PayPal account, so there's no waiting. So this is the JV page for Flipadom. It's Trevor there giving us a bit of an introduction, and it's being sold as the no list fast cash strategy, and that is what it is. You need no previous experience for this, guys. If you're a newbie or an experienced marketer, it doesn't matter. My videos take you step by step through every single piece of work that you need to do. So no experience necessary. There's no steep learning curve. You can pick this up today, buy a domain today, and possibly sell a domain today, if not by tomorrow. I'll show you all my tips and tactics of how to do that. You certainly don't need a list at all. If you've got a list, that will help later on down the line in one of the OTOs that we're selling, but 100% you do not need a list for this method, and I don't use a list. I'll show you another way to get customers. There's no paid advertising. You're going to pay $7 for this product. That's it. There is nothing else to buy on the front end. All the software I provide is free. I'll show you where to get it. I'll show you the forums to advertise on. I'll show you where to sell domains. Your only outlay is $7, and obviously the cost of a domain. And I'll even show you where you can get them for 99 cents. And you're going to use free traffic to sell your domains. Launched on Monday, the 14th of May, 11 AM EST. There's Trevor C, Jonas, and me, Bobby D, in case you wonder what we look like. Here's some figures of what I done. I bought a domain for $10, sold it for $149. I bought a domain for $10, sold it for $99. $10, $79, $25, $249, and my biggest sale is a $10 domain for $449 to date. I bought 11 domains and sold them for over 1,500 quid in a couple of weeks, so it's not bad going. There is a sales funnel on it. The OTO one, $17, which is an advanced strategy by me. This I highly recommend you to pick up, guys, because I will show you how you can buy a domain for $5 or $6 and sell it for $125. Super easy. There are millions and millions, and I mean millions of customers out there looking for these domains. This is my main method of selling domains, and I'll only reveal that in the OTO. It's $17. It's way worth your money. OTO 2 is $27. It's another method of selling domains. This is $27. This is if you've got a list. This will really, really come into play. If you've got a good list, don't even need to have a big list. If you've got a couple of hundred people on your list plus, highly recommended to get OTO2. This will easily get you selling domains. And the OTO3 is the resale rights, and you get 100% commissions on everything that you sell through us. And you're going to sell a lot. This is going to fly out the door. So that is Flipadom. Let's flop over to, just move my screen to here. Nope. To here. So that is, this is the actual course. This is the inside of the course. As you can see, it's all video, videos by me. You've got the introduction to Flipadom by myself. I then show you some income proof. In fact, I can show you that now. Some proof of earnings. Right, guys, which I just pause there. But if you can see that, you know, that domain sold for 449, 249, 99, 149, 149, and the list goes on. Video 3 and video 4 is where to buy the domains. Video 5, where to buy and flip them. Number 6 and 7 is implementing the system, and number 8 is where to sell them. And if you get the OTO, like I said, OTO 1, I'll show you another great place to sell domains that there are millions of customers, and it's my main way of selling domains. So that is Flipadom in a nutshell, guys. If you're a newbie, if you want to make some quick money, you don't need any experience, this is a great course to pick up. I would say that it's mine, but I'm really proud of it. I've put a lot of effort into it. It's taken me months and months to put this together, honestly, about 3 months. But it's good. This is without doubt the best domaining course out there, and we know this is going to fly off the shelves. Get it while you can. I'm going to offer some bonuses. Check below my page here, and I'll give you some free bonuses as well. So as usual, guys, Bobby D here, bobbydonlinemarketing.com. Have a look at my site. Please sign up to my YouTube channel. You can get through it on my site, so I can make some more review videos. Any questions, get in touch. I'm here for you guys. Get Flipadom. You're not going to regret it. It's an absolute winner, and I'll see you on the other side. Thanks very much.